Hi, I'm Jesper, and I'm the founder of calculations.tools. Let's move on to the ROI calculator. So this calculator will show you exactly how to calculate return on investment. Up top here, we have the actual calculator, and below we have a lot of helpful content that will help you answer any questions you may have. You can see the exact formula to calculate it. There are some examples, some comparisons. But let's do an example here. So initial investment, we can do 10,000. Final value, let's do 13K, and we'll hold it for 3 years. So instantly you'll get the net return, the ROI, the multiple, and the annualized ROI. Down here you'll see exactly how it's calculated. So this is real, like just 3 inputs, and you'll get the instant results. But just a pro tip here: when you use this tool here, be careful not to make the mistake by using total revenue as the gain instead of net profit. So the correct approach would be to always subtract your total cost from the return to get net gain before dividing. Revenue minus cost equals the real gain. So using gross revenue inflates ROI significantly. If you do have any questions to this ROI calculator, just put them down below.